How to style a white blazer. So here I have a very simple blazer, which I really love. It has 4 golden buttons, and here you see 2 outfits. One is for nighttime and one is for daytime. So you can really interchange it. So now let's interchange it to more office appropriate workwear. Like in here I added some work pants in a light blue color. And what about adding the white blazer to some skirts? So here you see 2 options. One is with a white skirt and one with a beige pencil skirt, and just draping the white blazer over the shoulders gives the outfit so much more glamour. How about a maxi dress? Because with a maxi dress, styles are very limited. But if we just drape them again over our shoulder, it just instantly glams the outfit up. I combine it with very simple shoes, like you can see in here. If this is too formal for you, let's add a straw bag. And to add a bit more glamour, just add a hat. If this is maybe a bit too casual for you and you want to wear your maxi dress to a very formal occasion, let's add some nice dangly statement earrings, which I really love, and just adding a clutch makes it so much more elegant. This is a very formal outfit, but how about the very casual outfits we are probably going to wear more often, let's be honest? Here are some white jeans and some joggers, and as you can see, even this casual outfits are working totally fine with a white blazer. Again, my straw bag, which makes it feel very, very casual, very comfortable shoes. And how about a short a light blue one and a tweed dress. And with a tweed dress, if you're enjoying this mini series of how to style something, I also have a whole video on how to style a tweed dress. I will link it in the info box. So what was your favorite style? What outfit do you like the most with a white blazer? Are you going to try some? Please let me know. And if you're going to try some and take those outfits as inspiration, tag me on Instagram so I can see them. I would love to see your outfits, or the outfits you create with white blazers. Because there are so many options to style a white blazer. And of course you have some excuses to buy a white blazer if you want. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel so you never miss any glamorous and elegant videos. You can also find me on Instagram for daily updates.